another video. Today's video is just gonna be on this beautiful unit from April Lace Wigs. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Bye guys. It came in this box. This box was so nice. Like the packaging for this company just like really blew me away. And then I opened it. It came with like 2 combs right here, which I just cut out to bleach the knots. But this hair quality, you guys, it is just like amazing. It came with these stocking caps, and I'm trying this dark color so I don't have to like cut the band and stuff like that. But you guys, this hair just literally blew me away with the quality of it. I'm so impressed. The only thing, which isn't really that big of a deal, because it kind of matches my color, kind of. I think it might melt in, not sure yet. And the hair is a little damp because I bleached the knots and rinsed it out, and so my hair got a little damp. But the only thing is I think the lace is a little bit light, so I think they tried to like guesstimate to my skin tone, and it's okay. But it could have been a little bit darker. That's the only con that I see, like right off the bat. So, which that could be fixed with powder, but so far so good. I'm trying to stick this little cap situation underneath here. I can still see it, and that don't really work for me. So I'm gonna put my cap down and then put this, cut this lace and all of that, and I'll be back. Story of my life. My camera cut off while I was laying the lace, but while it's melting down and drying, I'm going to talk to you guys about this hair-a-thon. So I missed today, which was Tuesday, yesterday. Actually filming this on Tuesday, but it's so late. It's like 10 o'clock, so late. I'm going to just put it up tomorrow. So this will be Wednesday's video. Wednesday will probably have 2 videos in it. It will probably, more than likely Wednesday's gonna have 2 videos in the hair-a-thon. I'm calling it the hair-a-thon. I thought that was real cute. So Wednesday you guys are gonna get 2 videos, and I need you to watch them both so that I can continue to upload for the Black Friday sale. It's very imperative that you guys watch. You guys are doing good so far. Sunday's video did perfect. I love you guys for that. Y'all some real ones. Your girl was on her deathbed, and I still pulled through. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. I still pulled through or whatever. So, yes. So, Tuesday I missed. Wednesday I'm going to give you 2. Thursday I might give you 2 more. And then I'm going to upload the site on Thursday. So when you're getting your turkey and your dressing and your collard greens and you know all of that, your chitlins if you nasty, when you're eating all of that, you're gonna be shopping hopefully lace dolls, and then so that's gonna be like a doorbuster Thursday, and then Friday for Black Friday I'm gonna upload another video, and I'm gonna upload about 2 to 3 more units to the site. So first come, first serve will be Thursday, and then Friday will be all my little 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock sleepers, the people who, just like you girl, my little Emily's out there who don't get up till about good 12:30, a nasty 1 o'clock, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with that, ain't nothing wrong with that. Don't judge us, early birds. So yeah, I just want to kind of break this down to y'all how this kind of gonna go. I'm getting a little bit better. I still sound kind of nasty. I'm sorry, but sick or not, I'm getting this work done. I'm giving y'all what y'all asked me for. So yeah, I just wanted to touch bases with you guys on that. Product of the hair. Overall, I'm in love with this unit. Like this hair, this hair. The quality of this hair is like up there, okay? Like it's up there, period. I'm gonna go on record right now and say this is the best unit I have received, period. This is the best unit as far as quality, lace, texture, you know, the pattern, the softness, shed, tangle free, all of that. Is this one? I mean, the lace isn't like my favorite, but it's definitely far from the worst. And being that the hair quality and the packaging, like everything else, all the details that go into it, as far as like all of that, period. Like the best one, period. The hair quality alone can shit on several companies, easily. This is just popping. Like, baby, I'm feeling this. April Lace Wigs, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. It's beautiful. This is their water wave hair 360 unit, 22 inches. Let me show you guys the hair. I'm gonna flash, you guys. Still a little damp, and I didn't completely wet it. Because I'm already sick. Okay, I'm already sick. I'm only upset that I don't have more time with it. Period. Like, I don't have any complaints. I think that this is gorge. Like, this is gorgeous. This is like, you wear this and everybody else is like, go home, sis. Go home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow in the hairathon. Bye, guys.